Today, I'll show you how to create an Amazon business with $0. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to have a big bankroll or a fancy business degree to start selling on Amazon. All you need is a little bit of hustle and a whole lot of determination. So if you're ready to make your mark, let's get started. The first step to starting any business is to identify a product or service that you can sell. This will require some market research to determine what people are willing to pay and what products are in demand. You can use free online tools such as Google Trends to help you identify potential products. Once you have identified a product, you need to find a supplier. And with $0, you will need to find a supplier who's willing to work with you on a consignment or drop shipping basis. This means that you won't have to pay for the product upfront, but you will only receive the payment after the product has sold. Once you have a product and a supplier, you can create a listing on Amazon. You will need to take high quality photos of your product, write a detailed product description, and set a price. You can use Amazon's free tools to help you create a professional looking listing. Now, to sell your product on Amazon, you will need to promote it to potential customers. You can do this organically for free by using social media and other online marketing channels, or you can use Amazon's PPC advertising, that is pay-per-click advertising, to reach a wider audience. Selling on Amazon can be very competitive. You will definitely get an edge over your competitors if you can spend smart on PPC advertising. You can check out the link in the description to learn how to optimize your PPC campaigns. Now, when you receive an order, you will need to package and ship the product to the customer. You can use low-cost shipping options to keep your costs down. By following these steps, you can start an Amazon business with, almost $0. It will require some smart work and consistency, but it is possible to build a successful business without a significant upfront investment. And the most important thing, don't be afraid to take the first step and start selling on Amazon. Who knows? Your business might just be the next big thing on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.